Usamos el verbo auxiliar.
To have.
Más to más infinitivo para expresar obligación.
One has to work. I had to see her for an appointment.
Hi Katie, what are you doing this weekend?
Well, not a lot of fun things to be honest. I have to clean my room and help my parents out.
Do you have to do a lot of chores?
Yes, and I am not looking forward to them either. What will you be doing anyhow?
I have to see the doctor for an appointment, then I really must book my flights to Germany for the weekend.
I have to clean my room.
Recuerda la construcción.
Have, has.
Más to más infinitivo como vemos aquí.
I really need to, have to, must, book my flights.
Hay otros verbos auxiliares modales que tienen el significado equivalente a
Have, has.
más to más infinitivo, por ejemplo.
Need to.
Y
Must.